Welcome to Cosplayland! Today I am sewing my Froppy cosplay. First I started with the pattern. I used my bodysuit pattern and I just cut some lines in the middle to make the lines in black. These are all the pieces. I am of course folding my fabric and just cutting every single piece one by one with very sharp scissors. Does feel like a puzzle. Now I'm cutting strips of gold fabric to make all my piping. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a cord in between these strips of fabric just to make this 3D embellishment for my Froppy. To keep it close, I'm just running a straight stitch with my zipper foot. And using the same foot, I'm just attaching it to the first strip of fabric. It's pretty much like a sandwich. Attach a part, attach the next part, and hopefully if you did it well, the gold part will show in the middle. For all the other parts, I'm just using the overlocker because it works better with the stretch fabric. Don't worry if it looks a bit complicated because I will leave you a link in the description with the full instructions and the pattern for this bodysuit that you can make yourself. The next part was the gloves. These were really very complicated to make, so many pieces, but I managed to do them. I basically had to sew every single finger on the gloves. Yes, you have 10 fingers on your hands. It took me forever. Actually, spoilers, I had to make them 3 times because the first time it just didn't go well. But I managed to do it, just being very careful, following all the tips and the instructions and making sure all those notches were aligned. I am working on the pattern for these gloves as well, so hopefully they will be out by the time I release this video. Just remember to be very patient when sewing these gloves, because they will take quite a while. However, they are totally worth it. Here they are. And here's where I forgot to record any footage, so here are some videos in movement of how I made the belt and other parts. Basically, I just made some holes in this strip of foam and then I covered it with leather, which I glued with contact cement. I could have painted it, but why make it easy if you can make it super complicated? We are cosplayers after all. Here is my favorite paint for cosplay, nail polish. And for my boot covers I just used some stretch fabric and just placed it on my leg until I got the right shape. Here's a sexy leg for you. More foam pieces that I am also going to cover with some fake leather. Just make sure you cut those notches to make it all smooth and even. And these are all the finished pieces. Of course I also made the goggles for Froppy. They are super cool, they light up, but they deserve their own video and hopefully that's gonna be the next one. I will even show you how I did this LED and I hope you liked it. And here is the finished piece. This is the Froppy cosplay. It was super fun to make and I hope you can get some helpful tips to make your own as well. If you like this video, don't forget to check all my other tutorials. There's some on this page, there's some on my page aliceincosplayland, and of course don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and just reach out to anyone that would like to make their own frog superhero. See you soon!